Hey guys, I've just come home, had a shower, and the bloody cat, this is what the cat sounds like every time we walk through here. It shits us off, doesn't it, Hazley? It shits us off.
Yes, it does.
You ready? That's what we hear every day. I'm going to record this every day for a week, just so you know. What? You've already been fed. I just fed you. See, most cats, they have a meow. This one's like, meow. Isn't it? Look at you. Huh? Right, again. Really? What? Oh, I'm going to feed it. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Alright, I've just fed it. It should be full. Really? Really? You're still hungry? You should see it when we do feed it. We feed it 4 things. We feed it 4 of these, right? You're only supposed to feed it once, and then, you know, it's right. But no, it has 2. Now it's condescended to doing 4. And then it has this weird ass looking face on it, like holy shit, or like it's on speed or something. And then, because it's dying for a shit. You watch, this packet will be new tomorrow. It'll be a new packet. Yeah. Look at that. You're a pig cat, aren't you? What? I've just sat down and now I walked around the corner and the cat's giving me eyes. What? What? Look at you, now you're being a guts. Hey? What, you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh my god, really? Really? I really don't like that noise every day. Every day! It shits us off, doesn't it, Hazley? It shits us off.
Yes, it does.
That's what we hear every day. There you go, look at it. That's the only time it shuts up. Hey. Wait. Hey. Puss. Puss. Look at it. What a guts.